Good morning students. So today we are going to start third class term 2 English. So our first lesson is the magic show. So before going to the lesson we will see the picture. So here you can see Shaumik, Preeta and his father, Shaumik's father. So now we will continue the lesson. Shaumik and Preeta were returning home with their father after watching a magic show. So Shaumik and Preeta were returning home with their father after watching a magic show. Next, Shaumik, I loved the magic show. Here Shaumik is saying that I loved the magic show. The magician was really great. Next, what Preeta told, why do you say so? So after listening Shaumik, Preeta asked a question, why do you say so? Shaumik, if he can make a bunny appear from his hat, he can do anything. So here Shaumik is saying that in the magic show a bunny appear from his hat and he can do anything because he is a magician. Next, Preeta is asking, but you know that is impossible. Shaumik, what do you mean? Did not you see him doing that? Shaumik is saying that did not you see him doing that? He is a magician, disappearing from doing that. He even made your watch disappear from your hand. So Shaumik is saying that he even made your watch disappear from your hand. So he can do anything. He is a magician. So Preeta, I know, but it is unbelievable. So what Preeta is saying, I know, I saw that even he made my watch disappear, but it is unbelievable. I can't believe him. Shaumik, I agree, but you saw him doing many impossible things. So Shaumik is also saying that I agreed with your words, but did you saw him doing many impossible things. That is why he is a magician. So which is impossible things? He had done those things. That's why he is a magician. He is not like us ordinary people. He has a magic wand. So Shaumik is saying that he is not a ordinary people like us. He is a magician and he is having a magic wand like fairies do. Like fairies do. The wand gives him magic power. So here Shaumik is saying that he is not a ordinary people. He is not a ordinary man like us. He is having a magic wand like fairies do, and that wand gives him a magic power. So Shaumik father is saying that Shaumik, a magician, is not a superhuman. Superhuman means a person with magical powers. So a magician is not a superhuman. He just performs clever tricks. So Papa here, the Shaumik's father is saying that a magician is not a superhuman. They just perform the clever tricks which does not know us. He does not really make things disappear. So again he is saying that he does not really make things disappear. Next, Shaumik is asking some questions. How does he do that, father? So Shaumik is saying that how does he do? Asking his father. Again father is saying that did you notice the things the magician used for his tricks like the hat, the ribbons and the table? Here you can see Shaumik's father is saying that have you noticed the magician used it for his tricks like ribbons, hats and a table they use. So Preeta, yes I did. Why does he use these things? So Preeta is saying that I have noticed those things, but why does the magicians use these things? So again Preeta's father is saying that the hats and ribbons he uses are not ordinary ones. They are made specially to help him perform his tricks. So Preeta's father is saying that they use the hats, ribbons and tables is not a ordinary ones. They made them specially to help the magicians to perform their tricks and to become a magician. Next, Preeta is saying that then what does he do to make things disappear? So again Preeta is asking that then what does he do to make things disappear? So here in the next class we will see what the magicians will use the things to disappear. So I hope you have understood the lesson, beginning lesson. Remaining we will continue in the next class. Thank you.